The attempt to sue Reddit over child porn has been dismissed by the US Supreme Court, declining to hear the case. On Tuesday, the US Supreme Court rejected a request by child pornography victims to challenge the legal protections that internet companies enjoy in a lawsuit accusing Reddit Inc. of violating federal law by not removing illegal content from its discussion website. The Supreme Court rejected the appeal of a dismissal of a proposed class action lawsuit against Reddit, citing Section 230 of the US statute that protects internet companies from user-posted content lawsuits, with an exception for cases involving child sex trafficking. On May 19th, the Supreme Court missed a chance to limit the scope of Section 230 immunity in an unrelated case. The Communications Decency Act of 1996's Section 230 offers protection to interactive computer services by guaranteeing that they cannot be regarded as the publisher or speaker of information supplied by users. A 2018 amendment to Section 230, known as the Fight Online Sex Trafficking Act, FOSTA, was the subject of the Reddit case. This amendment broadened the range of legal action that could be taken against online companies if the claim involves sex trafficking of children. Reddit is a platform where users can share content that is monitored by other users through subreddits. The focus of this case is on the posting of sexually explicit photos and videos of minors by users in these subreddits. The plaintiffs in this case, who are the parents of children depicted in the images and a former minor subject to the content, filed a lawsuit against Reddit in 2021 in a California federal court asking for financial compensation. According to the plaintiffs, Reddit has not done enough to eliminate or stop the spread of child pornography and has also been accused of profiting from the illegal posts by advertising in violation of federal laws surrounding child sex trafficking. In 2022, the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco ruled that for the FOSTA exception to be applicable, plaintiffs must provide evidence that an internet company knowingly profited from sex trafficking through its own actions. The Ninth Circuit determined that the accusations made against Reddit only point towards the platform being aware of the illegal content being posted on its site, rather than actively engaging in sex trafficking themselves. According to court documents, Reddit has taken significant steps to prevent the spread of child sexual exploitation materials on its platform, including granting users the ability to flag inappropriate posts and utilizing specialized teams to promptly remove illegal content. On May 19th, the Supreme Court chose not to make a decision on a request to diminish Section 230 in a lawsuit where Google LLC was accused of suggesting content from the Islamic State militant group to viewers of its YouTube video sharing platform under a federal anti-terrorism law. Alphabet Inc., Google O, owns both Google and YouTube. From both sides of the ideological and political spectrum, including former Republican President Donald Trump and current Democratic President Joe Biden, there have been calls to reconsider Section 230 in order to hold companies responsible for the content present on their platforms. According to the plaintiffs' appeal to the Supreme Court, much of the sex trafficking that takes place in the world today is caused by child pornography, which is predominantly traded on the internet through websites that assert immunity under Section 230. According to them, if the decision made by the Ninth Circuit is upheld, it would grant immunity to a large group of offenders who contribute to the abuse of children. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.